Down. Ooh, down.
It's part of hiking.
We almost fell there. So, how are you feeling about this whole experience
This whole
weekend?
experience this weekend, I think I'm so excited. Looking at something that's in paper coming alive. Mixed feeling.
Yeah.
But seeing ladies come together and with one vision, with one purpose of assisting girl child to be at school, to fix their lives in terms of not worrying about their menstruation period. So yeah, I think as ladies, Sasilana, I'm so excited because we all have one vision, and our vision is like we are here to rewrite our stories. Yeah.
Awesome.